Hi students, today's our topic is one of the important parts of speech, adverbs. In this video, we will learn adverbs and types of adverbs and degrees of comparison. Let us see these sentences. Lata sang melodiously. The lady spoke very softly. These flowers are really beautiful. In the first sentence, melodiously is the adverb, tells us more about the verb sang. In the second sentence, softly is an adverb and explains how an action was done. And the word very tells us more about the adverb softly. So, very and softly both are adverbs. And in the third sentence, really is the adverb and it tells us more about the adjective beautiful. So, an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, let us see where is the position of adverb in a sentence. Adverbs must be placed next to the words required to be modified. For example, the baby cried bitterly. In this sentence, bitterly is the adverb which tells more about the verb cried. Sometimes adverbs are used before the verbs, like Aman always comes late for school. Here, always is the adverb which tells more about the verb comes. Sometimes adverbs are used after the first part of the verb, like I was nearly tired by afternoon. In this sentence, was is the first part of the verb and nearly adverb and tired by other part of the verb. Now, let us see the types of adverbs. There are mainly 5 types of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, and adverbs of degree. Let us see one by one. Adverbs of manner tells us how the action takes place and answer the question how. In another way, it tells us how or in what manner an action is done. For example, happily, gracefully, melodiously, etc. Adverbs of place answers the question where. That means adverbs of place tells us where or at what place an action is done. We use everywhere, outside, away, etc. to indicate adverbs of place. And now, adverbs of time. It indicates the time of an action or sometimes the duration of an action and answer the question when. For example, yesterday, later, recently, now, etc. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often or how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. Regularly, daily, always, etc. are the words which we use to indicate adverbs of frequency. The last one, adverbs of degree, it tells us the intensity of an action and modify an adjective, a verb or another adverb. They are placed before the adjective or adverb and answer the question how much, completely, almost, nearly, etc. are the words to indicate adverbs of degree. There are two more adverbs, interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions like how long did it rain there? Here, how long is the adverb. Relative adverbs modify a word and refer to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to. Example, I cannot remember the time when I took my medicine. Here, when refers to a particular time and tells us more about it. So, when is a relative adverb. Now, let us see the degrees of comparison. Like adjectives, many adverbs can also be compared. Here are the examples: fast, faster, fastest. Here, faster and fastest are the comparative and superlative degrees formed by adding er and est to the adverb fast. And adverbs ending in ly or ly are changed to the comparative and superlative degrees by adding more and more. For example, beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Sometimes we do not use more or most for adverbs, but use different words to show the comparative and superlative degrees, such as badly is the adverb and we use worse in comparative and worst in superlative degree. That's all for now about adverbs and types of adverbs. Thank you for watching this video.